Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox a full set of Hachipupu Adventures in the Wood series. As I've said, I'm going to complete the full set as I'm missing some figures, and then again, we're going to do a secret hunting. But before that, I still have a bonus unboxing for you. Let me show you and set aside this one. I'm going to do an unboxing and a secret hunting for Space Molly 100% Series 3 because in my previous vlog, if you watch it, I unboxed one secret, which is the secret 3, which is the Coca-Cola. So, what are we waiting for? I'm so excited to share it with you, and I'm crossing my fingers to find and look for a secret for these two series. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So let me start with the Space Molly 100%, the Series 3. So it's still sealed, so I'm going to remove the seal for foil first for you. And let's do a secret hunting. So this will be a bonus unboxing for you guys because our main unboxing for today's vlog is the Hachipupu. So I completed already the series and one secret, which is the Coca-Cola. Now we're gonna look for the other two, the secret 2 and the secret 1. So we're not going to unfoil the figures, and I'm just going to show you the cards because this will be a quick unboxing as we are just looking for the secret. So let me unbox the first one at the bottom part and let me show you the art card. Okay, so we have the heartfelt words before, so we're not going to unfold that one and set aside. Box 2. Okay, I just hope there will be a secret hiding here because I want to complete the series 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have the Gary Baseman already. Let me set aside this one. Our box 3. Now, I don't know if I made the right decision buying another set just for the secret. Our box 3 is... Oops! Oh, we have the good luck burr. Let me return it back in the box. And this will be our box 4. Okay. Then again, guys, those duplicates, I'm going to put them in my online shop. So you might be interested checking it out. Our box 4. Oh, we have the Tender Heart Burr. Set aside. This will be our box 5. Box 5, box 5. Okay. Box 5 will be Peach 2016. Okay. Let me give you a recap first for the last 4 boxes. Going to put the 4 boxes here. Okay. We unboxed the Good Luck Burr, the Peach 2006, Heartfelt Words, Gary Baseman, and the Tender Heart. So we're still looking for the Graffiti, Garfield, Ted 2, and Tetris. And the possible secret. What do you think, guys? Are we lucky enough today to find the secret? Our box 6. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have the Garfield. No, there will be no secret. Box 7. Oops, we have the Tetris. Okay. Last 2 boxes, guys. So which one I'm gonna open? I guess let's do the right thing on my right hand. Maybe this will be a lucky box for me. Oops. I moved the camera again. Okay, so we have the TED 2. Oh no, last one. So we are missing the mm, graffiti. Graffiti. Maybe this is graffiti, guys. What do you think? Our final card. One, two, three. And we have the graffiti. So no secret for Space Molly Series 3. Sad. So let's go now and move to our main unboxing, which is the Hachipupu. So guys, let's proceed now with the Hachipupu Adventures in the Wood series. So I unbox, I'm sorry, I uh, pull out already the 12 boxes outside the mother box. So this is the mother box. Let me set aside. So let me show you how beautiful the artwork of Hachipupu. Very forestry type. It seems like Hachipupu series here is in the woods. That's why it's the Adventure in the Wood series. So let me show you first the lineup, and I'm going to give you a recap. If you watch my previous vlog, I already had the owl. We are looking now for the cannibal flower. We have the gremlin. We have the little raccoon. We are looking for the little tree. I have the Mr. Fox, which has a duplicate already. I am looking for the mushroom. I'm looking for the ladybug. We have this no, I'm still looking for the adventurer. So I'm still missing for the one cannibal, two for the little tree mushroom, three little bug, adventurer, yeah, maybe four, five. One, two, three, four, five. And the secret. So let's do the unboxing now, guys, and look for the secret. Let me set aside the other boxes and let me start the with the first one. Okay, if you can see in my background, these are the figures that we unboxed already. And if I'm going to unbox one of these seven, I'm not going to tear the foil and I'm just gonna show you the art card and let me show you closely the figure. So I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, and we are going to check first the art card because I'm going to keep the duplicate in a good condition and it's sealed so that we can still sell it on my online shop. So this is the foil of the Hachipupu. You can still see the branding of a Hachipupu here. Very cute. So our first figure for today. Oh, where's the art card? One, two, three. Oh! The ladybug. We still don't have this one, so I'm going to unbox and unfoil this. Our first figure. One, two, three. Oh, nice. This is nice in an actual figure, guys. Look, the wings of the ladybug is a translucent material. It's a clear PVC. It looks like the wings is like a raincoat for Hachipupu here because they tied up the raincoat on his neck. He has this blonde hair, black eyes, and he has this headpiece of the ladybug. It's mimicking the face of Hachipupu. Look how beautiful. It's glossy and matte finish. They use a three different material here, a matte finish on the face, glossy on the headpiece, and a clear PVC on the wings of the ladybug. And if you can show, or if you can see this one, there's some smiley face on the dots of the ladybug. Actually, this one is cute. I actually like this one. Very nice one. Let me show you if there's some inclusion. There's a stand here, a very simple one, clear PVC, so that Hachipupu can stand properly, or maybe here on the other side. Oh, okay. So, what can you say about Ladybug of Hachipupu? I definitely like this one. You can comment down below. Let's proceed now with our second box, the Hachipupu Adventure in the Woods series. They actually all look so adorable and super cute, guys. Very nice figure, a good quality one. I just don't know, maybe Hachipupu don't have yet a big fan base here in the Philippines, but I definitely like them. And I destroyed the box. My goodness. Okay, don't wanna see any spoiler yet. Let me show you the art card, our second figure. Oh, we don't have this one yet. The Adventurer. Nice. How cool is that? We are getting figures that we don't have yet. So let me show you this one. One, two, three. Oh no. This one is so cool. Look. The wings is so pearlescent. It's so shimmery, guys. It's like some, you know, they put all together all the leaves as a wings to cover up Hachipupu here. Let me show you and put all the inclusions first. So Hachipupu here is the adventurer, like a little boy scout here, because he's holding this like a wooden lamp. Let me put this one here. I hope it fits well, but I don't know why it's not fitting that well. I don't know which one I'm going to. Oops. Hmm. Why it's not fitting so well? Is this the connector for this lamp? Okay. This one is so nice. He looks like a little Boy Scout here. I like this golden beret. It's so shimmery. It's a nice one. It's gold. And I just noticed the shoes of Hachibubu here is crying as well. He's so cute. Definitely adorable. And this is the art card. Very nice one. What can you say about the adventurer guys of Hachipupu? You can comment down below. Let's go now with our third box. So let's see. If we are going to do a recap, we're still missing the cannibal flower, the little tree, the mushroom. Yeah, we're still looking for three only so that we can complete those series. So let's see. I hope it's not. No, I'm expecting a duplicate actually. Let me tear that one up. It's so hard to unbox. Okay. The third figure. Where's the art card? One, two, three. Oh, Mr. Fox. We have this one already. Okay, so let me show you Mr. Fox. It's there. I'm just going to show it to you closely. You know what, guys? I actually lost the cane of Mr. Fox. I missed the cane of Mr. Fox from my previous unboxing. So you have to check this one, the cane, the black cane. So you have to check the box before throwing it out. So you can see the tail of Mr. Fox here. It's so orangey and ombre orange. He's so dapper here. Actually, one of my favorites. So yeah, Mr. Fox of Hachipupu. You like it or not? Comment down below. Let's proceed with our fourth box. And we got our first duplicate. I actually don't know who's the secret in this lineup. Let me check. I don't know who's the secret. I hope the secret is cute. This one is a chunky one. Oh, it seems like the ghost, I guess. And yes, I'm right. We got the little ghost here. Let me put back the foil here. And let me show you the ghost. This one is actually a soft PVC type. And you can see how little Hachipupu, so adorable here. He's wearing this baby diaper, baby clothes, hiding in this white cloth like a ghost. Definitely one of my favorites from this series. So if you like this one as well, guys, The Little Ghost of Hachipupu, please comment down below. Let's go now, our fifth box. Fifth box. And I hope we are lucky to get a secret. The foil. And here's the art card. One, two, three. Oh, the owl. And we have this one. Put it back in the box. Let me show you the owl. We got this owl here. This is one of the cool figure here in this series because the details, how intricate the details of the wings of the owl, the golden watch on the chest. Look how grumpy Hachipupu here. You can see the eyes of the owl here. I like the grayish finish of this figure. One of the coolest figure here. So what is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our six box, and we got now our three duplicates and two missing from the series. So let's see. I hope to get the the missing figures because I'm so excited. Oops. Okay. So the spoiler, we have this one already. The Firefly. Let me show you the Firefly. I keep opening this one. Can I? Oops! I drop it. Okay, let me remove all the figures now because we will definitely unbox this. And let me set aside for the meantime these three. And let me show you the Firefly. What I like about this figure, guys, is the gummy texture finish of the head, the wings, the outfit of Hachipupu. He's so little cute sprite or elf here or a firefly here. The translucent finish of the lotus flower, definitely a good one. As I've said, this series is so cute and adorable. A very nice quality figure. So what can you say about the Firefly of Hachipupu? Please comment down below. Let's proceed now with our next box. Oh no. It seems like our luck was so done because we're not getting a secret now. But I'm still crossing my fingers. Oops. Okay. The art card. Where is it? One, two, three. Oh, we have the Morning Glory. And this is another duplicate. Set aside this one. And this is the Morning Glory, guys. It's like Hachipupu is wearing this beautiful flower here. I believe this is a Morning Glory flower. I'm not sure if you have an idea about this flower, guys. Maybe this is the one Hachipupu is wearing. I like the gummy finish as well of the clothes of Hachipupu. He looks like a little elf here. Very nice one. He's holding this purple flower at the back. The head is like a buds of the flower with the stem. So nice, so cute. Please give me your comments down below. Let's proceed now with our 8 box. Yeah, it's 8 box, right? 8 or 9? 8. 8 box, yes. And we're still missing. Okay. We're still missing the cannibal flower and the little tree and the mushroom. And the 2 duplicate. Oops, where's the art card? One, two, three. Oh, the mushroom one. We don't have this one yet. So let me show you the figure. One, two, three. Oh, this one is so cute. It reminds me of the mushroom in the Super Mario Brothers. I like. Oh, there's a little one. A surprise at the back of Hachipupu. He's carrying this little prince at the back with this bronze crown, like sitting on this little mushroom as well. I like how beautiful the hat of Hachipupu here is like a red mushroom. Let me put all the inclusion. Where's the stand? Okay. This one is so cute. Very adorable one. He's like a little elf here. Look, right? How beautiful and adorable. What can you say about the mushroom, guys? Please comment down below. Proceed now with our ninth box. And we are having a little chance of getting the secret. This one is so heavy. This might be the little raccoon. So let's see. Oh, this one is so big. Oh, the cannibal flower. Look, look the art card. Very nice one. So let me unfoil this one. Let me show you the cannibal flower. One, two, three. Oh, this one is so nice. Look how beautiful. Like Hachipupu is wearing this cannibal flower costume. This one is so cute. A very detailed one. Very nice flower. He's so grumpy here. If you can see, it looks like a blood dripping on his eyes. Look how intricate the details of this figure. There's some small flowers at the back as well. The veins and the stems at the back of the flower. Even the hands of Hachipupu here is like a monster. And this golden zipper tag. Very cute. Let me put the stand. This one is a heavy figure, guys. You will definitely like this one, guys. This is one of my favorites from this series, guys. So what can you say about the cannibal flower, guys? Please comment down below. Oh, guys, this is our 10th box. And we're missing 3 figures, 2 duplicates, and unique figure, which is the little tree, and a possible secret. Okay. And the art card here is, oh, the gremlin, and we have this one already. Let me show you the gremlin. So this is the gremlin. Very cute one. I like the translucent figure or the translucent material that they use at the back of gremlin here, which is this, the like a green bow tie or ribbons at the back with some flowers. He's a little gremlin here. Very cute one. Very nice. I like the color combination. Very in the wood. So what can you say about the gremlin, guys? Please comment down below. Proceed now with the 11th box, and we're still missing little tree and the little raccoon. So let's see. Maybe this one will be the little raccoon. It's quite heavy. Or the little tree. Or the secret. I don't want to see any spoiler. Here's the foil. Oh, we got the little raccoon. A spoiler one. Okay. So, let me put it back. We have this little raccoon. This duo of this collection. A gray raccoon and an orange raccoon. They look good together. There's some like a stuck cotton on the outfit of Hachipupu here. Very nice one. Oops, I almost dropped the gray one. So guys, what can you say about Little Raccoon? Our duplicate for today, please comment down below. So this is the final box for Hachipupu Adventure in the Wood series. And we're missing the little tree, guys, and the secret. So, what do you think? Who do you think the figure inside? So, let's not wait for it and unbox this one to complete the set or the series. Maybe this is the little green, a little tree, or the secret. So, let's see. Oh, okay. Definitely not a secret. And we got the little tree. Let me show you. A very small one. One, two, three. Oh. Oops! I dropped the body of Hachi Pupu. And where is it? Okay. I beheaded Hachi Pupu. Okay. Let me put all the inclusions. The reason why the head of Hachi Pupu is removable because I'm going to put this little tree trunk as a dress of Hachi Pupu. I'm not sure. Is this okay? This is like an upside down. Wow, this one is cute. Okay. And you have to put this little flower on the tip of the stem. Hachipupu. Oh wait, let me fix it properly. This one is actually cute, guys. Look, it looks like Hachipupu here is wearing this tree, a trunk of a tree, a hollow one, as an armor. And if you can see closely, the tree is holding these little leaves like he's trying to survive. And he's so sad because the tree trunk is dead already. And Hachipupu here is trying to be like a newborn tree. And there's some sprouting leaves on the head of Hachipupu here. It looks like he is like a hope of the forest. Actually, nice, cute, and adorable. I like this. I like this figure. A very simple one, but has a lot of meaning in this figure. What can you say about this one, and what is your interpretation about the little tree, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, this is the final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog, which is the Hachipupu Adventures in the Wood series. Unfortunately, we are unlucky enough or we don't manage to get a secret, but it's fine with me because I got the full set and they are so look cute and adorable. And if you can see, the first line is my top favorites. The second line is my mid favorites, and the last one or the last part are my least favorites from this lineup. So what can you say about this lineup, guys? If you have other favorites, you can comment down below. And if you had fun watching this video, don't forget to like and share. And if you're still not my subscribers, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!